Hi, it's Gina with WTI. My favorite Nintendo game is Super Mario 3D World. The reasons that I love it so much are because you can play with up to 4 people. It's so much fun just to run around in the levels. You can bounce on each other's heads and kind of help each other. It's rated E for everyone, so everyone in the family can enjoy it without worrying about there being something inappropriate for certain ages. And my favorite thing is that there's different suits that you can get to turn into kitty cats or raccoons, or you have firing power. But my favorite is the kitty cats because you can climb up walls. I love that the levels are shorter, and of course they have all their own themes like normal with one of the Mario games. Bowser's Fury has 2-player option. You can either be Mario or Bowser Jr., and you're helping Bowser Jr. because his dad has just gotten so mad and bad. You collect cat shine shards that help you to beam energy at Bowser to deplete his energy and to win the game. It's just a lot of fun to play. If you're looking for a fun family night or even to co-op with friends, I definitely recommend this game, and that's my point of view.